So, I like to put the jelly inside my ass and then put some peanut butter on top. I call it a peanut butter jelly and asshole sandwich. But Wolfie Boy here will be calling it lunch.
When you come to the Happy Hotel, the most important thing in your life is gonna be booty.
Y'all better
A
listen
man
to her.
or a woman's butt. Booty, getting some booty, is more important than eating food. It's more important than drinking water. If I see a person I like, I tell them this. I like you, and I want you. Now we can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way. The choice is yours.
What's it gonna be, Wolfie?
I asked you a question, Wolfie.
I can't hear you, Wolfie.
I don't want to answer.
Wolfie, I said I asked you a question.
I don't want to answer. I don't want to do this anymore.
Sounds like to me you want it the hard way.
You can't have my booty! Run away for good!
Baggy!
Yes, Charlie?
After that booty.
Yes, Charlie.